Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am going to show you how to use Canva, and I'm showing you how you can create a talking avatar by using the Canva DID app. This is the DID app. So what you're going to see is you're going to see me. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, so now I'm going to upload a picture. Okay, I'm going to go find the picture. Okay, and I saved it in pictures, and it was called African. As we can see, it's typing because I'm live recording now. So it's called African photo. So I found it, highlight it, click open. Okay, and now you wait for it to get into the program, the DID program, right? So just follow my arrow and watch what I do. So now the next step I got to do is I have to get the audio because I got the picture, right? So I'm going to something that is called Create Studio 3. Remember I told you, check the playlist for how to create African tales. Okay, so obviously I'm showing you what steps that I take. I'm using speech. I'm going to have to find a voice that I can use that will match with the African lady photo, right? So I click on the fourth one and it's in speech, it's highlighted, right? So now I come down where it's showing me the different voices, click the drop down arrow, and I got to find the voice. I played around with listening to a few voices, but I didn't want to go through all of it because the video would be too long. Click on female voices.
Global times in our politics. Washington is as divided as ever. The biggest room in the world is room for improvement. Courage is not the absence of fear, but simply moving on with dignity despite that fear. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Courage is not the absence of fear, but simply moving on with dignity despite that fear.
So I decided to go with the voice Ava. I would prefer a Kenyan, like African voice, but they didn't seem to have it in Create Studio 3. That's why I tell you guys, there are many ways you can use different apps to do voiceovers and all that kind of stuff, or to get AI voices, right? So now I'm just typing in this box what I want the African lady, the avatar, to say, okay? So I'm just typing in what I want her to say. And remember, it is steps, and maybe with some people it's just too much, but it's not hard if you can do them step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and so forth. You can get these things done. If all these other people could do it, if I can do it, so can you. Okay? So I'm still typing. And this is real time right here. I'm showing you. Because, I had to I can't say the word screen. I screen recorded this, and I'm talking into my mic, okay? So I had to screen record it first and then do the voiceover second with my voice to create this video. Okay, so now we checking.
Hello everyone. Make sure that you check the playlist for how to create African tales. It will be in the description box below.
So now I'm importing the voice, right? Because I like it. I'll take it. And then I'll take that voice and put it into the timeline. Remember, this is Create Studio 3. And now I'm going to come to the top. I didn't mean to click this one. I meant to click this one to save the project saved, as you can see. And click Publish. Then you make sure that you have your settings. It's in videos, MP4. And, everything that's highlighted there, you just leave it as it is if you had this program. And now you're going to click on Output File, Select. And then you're going to name it. You're going to name the file. So let's see what I'm typing. So I named the file African Lady Speaks. And save it. Now it's saved. Now, when you're using Create Studio 3, because it's saved as like a video file, I have to go and convert it. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just bear with me. I have so many things open. So I need to import that file that I just saved from Create Studio 3. And I saved it under videos. I'll go save it under videos first so I can go find it. And it's African Lady Speaks. Highlight it, click open. Okay? I put it in a timeline to play it.
Make sure that you check the playlist for how to create applicant tales. If me administration.
Okay, so guys, you see that's an MP4. Okay. File. Okay, now I have to delete the stuff that's already in my timeline of my Power Director, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove the other stuff that's in the timeline. And as you can see, editing is a process. It's a lot to do. That's probably when people start feeling like, I don't want to do this. And make sure everything is out of your timeline. Right? Especially if you're going to render a video. Okay. Once upon a time, I didn't know how to do none of these things. So I'm going to remove the voice of the African Lady Speaks. I'm going to remove it. I didn't delete it. I just removed it. Now I'm going to go and convert that MP4 file into an MP3 file in order for me to put it into DID so that my African avatar lady could talk. Okay. So this is a program called Convertio, and you're just going to file converter. You're going to convert your file, click on choose files, go find that video, that MP4 African Lady Speaks, go find it, go back to videos, see its steps, find that file, right? Because I want to convert it. Because it's an MP4 file right now. And I want to change it into an MP3. So click open. I found the file. Now you see it says African Lady Speaks MP4. We don't want MP4. We want MP3. So we're going to click that little drop down arrow. We're going to go to the left and click audio. Then we're going to click on MP3. And then we're going to click convert. Right? And you just wait as it's converting it. You see it rotating. Right? You see it rotating right here. And you just wait for it to convert. The file is done. Click download. Right? So it's downloaded. So let's just wait. And then now I'm going to go back to the CANVA DID app, which is here. Okay, so I got my avatar that I want to use. Click on it. Always highlight the one you want to use. Click on upload audio. Click upload audio. Then you're going to click upload your own audio, right? And I'm going to go find it in downloads. And there it goes. African Lady Speaks, because I changed it to an MP3. Click open. And it's in the program of DID, right? I'm just checking to see my credits. Now what you're going to do, make sure you have your correct one highlighted, the one you want to use, which avatar. Now click generate. Sorry, my voice is a little hoarse. Okay, so now we just got to wait for it to generate. We in real time. And I'm screen recording it. And just be a little patient. But this is what it takes. This is many different ways you can use the program. I mean, like different types of apps that you can use to create these avatars to talk. It's not just a DID.
Hello, everyone. Make sure that you check the playlist for how to create African tales. It will be in the description box below.
Okay, it's done. So I bring it to the top, to the corner, and I'm going to stretch it out to fit the whole white screen, the white box. Once it's done, okay, it's already named. It has a title. Click share. Then you're going to click download. Make sure it's on MP4 and leave it at 1080p quality. Click download again. And then as you can see here, it's downloading. So this is what it takes. You know, we all love those talking avatars. And so yeah, I'm just showing you step by step. And just this one video showing you how to use Canva and DID is taking about 12 to 13 minutes just for that. Okay, so it's done. It downloaded. So I come to import media files. Then I gotta go back to downloads. Go find that video, and there it goes, African lady video. Click it, highlight, open. Okay, put it in the timeline. Play it. Open it up. Play.
And now likewise, we'll show you the plugins for how to create African tales. It will be in the description box below.
Now that's it. So guys, that is the way you can create a talking avatar using Canva and using DID. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.
Hello, everyone. Make sure that you check the playlist for how to create African tales. It will be in the description box below.